What is going on YouTube? Hey, back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, in today's episode, we do have a few things to go over and discuss in regards to the major cryptocurrencies. Now, I apologize for not dropping any new videos this weekend. In regards to technical analysis, I did have a few other videos to post, which you guys hopefully saw, in regards to AI Doge and the new Tantrum hardware wallet, which if you haven't seen, make sure to check out both of these videos as they were quite interesting. But more so, and moving forward here, we do have to look at these other cryptos. And like I said, I was away hanging out with family yet again, so I do apologize for that. But we are back on track making more videos, and that is what matters, right? Now, in regards to what we need to be talking about in today's episode, lots of important things to discuss. All in all, I'm just so excited that the cryptocurrency markets are coming back. You know, we have a devoted community to cryptocurrency, and when we have these bear markets and these recessions, it really does smack us down and beat us up, but we do come back strong, and I'm excited that we are finally coming back. I know we're in no bull market, but we are starting to see new companies form, older companies, pick themselves back up and start to promote themselves and getting back into it. And it is exciting because, as you know, I am a cryptocurrency YouTuber, and I do see a lot of companies and stuff like that. And all of last year, markets were stagnant for most of it. And for most of this year, come the beginning, we really were not seeing much interest in crypto. Views were down. Sponsors or just companies in general weren't really promoting much at all, and it shows you that's a winter. So now we're out of it, and companies are starting to promote back up, and that means that crypto is going to start to head back up, which is very exciting. It's a great way to just test the market and know when these movements are coming here. So moving forward, because I am super excited that crypto is coming back here, XRP is kind of on the verge of bouncing off its support here. As you guys know, in the past couple of days, we discovered a beautiful bull flag formation here. You guys can see it was about 3 to 4 days ago here. I drew it. I just want to show you guys again. Sorry, I just clicked the wrong thing. We had 3 days ago the beautiful bull flag formation, and then about 2 days ago the beautiful confirmed bull flag formation here, the breakout to the upside, which is very exciting. You can clearly see here what exactly a bull flag is, and I'll pull it up later on today, but you can see here that we have the flag itself, the pole, the flag itself, and then the rally. And now you can see again we have the pole, the flag itself, and then the continued rally, or the start of one, in my opinion here. Regardless, we have broken out and we are entered in an XRP trade here. Even though we have fallen to the downside here, I do believe we are going to be bouncing off the support and heading back up to the upside. That's my thought and opinion moving forward on something like XRP here. But as you guys can see with things like Ethereum or Bitcoin and some of these other cryptos that we have to look at here, I'm going to tweak slightly the Ethereum charts here, as we are starting to see some stagnation. Clearly not really seeing much movement at all. Same thing goes with Bitcoin here. Things are heating up, if you ask me, and a break is to come very, very, very soon. Now, we are going to be looking at S&P 500 too, which could reject or break up off here. It's going to be very interesting here. I know it's either up or down, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. With that all being said, though, definitely make sure to... With that being said, though, I want to give a huge shout out to MarvelX for sponsoring today's episode. For those that don't know what MarvelX is, as you guys can see, MarvelX is the door to secure blockchain-based trading. MarvelX is a unique project which has all the required ingredients for top blockchain-based ecosystems here. MarvelX blockchain is a fork of the Ethereum blockchain, and smart contracts of MarvelX is capable of running all different kinds of applications on the MarvelX blockchain, such as crypto tokens, games, payments, and IT projects. So it's really cool, and they offer a lot of interesting things, especially within their app here. You can see right here, so make sure to check that out. Link is down in the description. But I will be going more in depth about MarvelX in a minute later on in today's video. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, diving into the technical analysis, top 10 cryptocurrencies, lots of consolidation, trading at 1.12 trillion, down 0.07. I mean, markets speak for themselves. I really didn't miss much over this weekend here. I was monitoring the markets. I just didn't have time to pump out a video here, but you can see not much was missed. Literally since Friday, we've just been flatlined completely. I haven't seen Bitcoin and some of these other cryptos flatlined. I mean, this looks like if I hid these charts here, I can't show you that well, but if I hid this part here all the way down, you probably couldn't tell the difference between Bitcoin and USDT, which is quite comical if you ask me. Even USDC here starting to look like Bitcoin. So not all too often that we see, major cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum start to trade like stable coins, which is odd. But, with this here, we've been flatlined out completely. Literally zero price movement over the weekend here. And you can see it continues not only on Bitcoin here, but on Ethereum, on BNB. XRP is the only crypto actually heading up, but Cardano flatline. Lots of these cryptos are flatlined out. Tron is seeing a stair-stepping upwards pattern here. But all in all, we don't look terrible. But looking at something like XRP, I am a strong believer we are going to continue this rally to the upside here. Now, if you guys don't know or are new to the channel, a bull flag in crypto kind of looks like exactly what I'm talking about here. You can see right here, I just want to pull it up. This is what a bull flag looks like. I'm just going to zoom in if it lets me. I don't know why it's not. Come on, buddy. We're almost there. Here we go. You can see now this is what a bull flag looks like. It's not letting me. There we go. Okay, so you can see we have the prevailing trend 1, the consolidation 2, which is a flag, and then the continuation 3. So XRP has, on numerous occasions here, we have the what they call a prevailing trend up, which is 1. The prevailing trend is right here. Then we have the consolidation flag, which is right here, the consolidation flag, which is right here, and then we have the continuation, which is number 3, the continuation right here. Not only did it happen once, but here it is again. We have the flag, the pole here, the first consolidation or continuation, the consolidation flag pole, our flag, and then we have the confirmation, and then the what are they calling it? The continuation. So many C's: consolidation, continuation, confirmation, blah, yada yada yada. Breakout to the upside here. So this is beautifully textbook shown what exactly we're expecting here, which is why I'm a strong believer that XRP is going to continue its break to the upside here and continue to rally us higher very easily and very simple. You can see we have confirmed breakout above this major downtrend here. Yes, we haven't broken through price ceiling at 48 cents, but I am a strong believer we will bounce off this and start to rally up to the upside here. This is truly where I see XRP moving to, in my opinion here. I'm a strong believer this is going to rally upwards here. Yes, we have hit a bit of turbulence, but we bought in at confirmation here. We haven't gotten stopped out. We got close, but I believe come this week, now we're going to start to run up. We were consolidating this weekend here, but that's over, and I believe we're going to start to see something like that very, very, very soon. So keep that in mind, and this is why we have an open position on XRP. Now, moving forward, I do want to talk a bit more about MarvelX with you, though. So, guys, today I have a special treat for you all. We'll be diving into the world of MarvelX, an innovative blockchain ecosystem that's redefining the industry. Now, before we get into it, I'd like to thank MarvelX for sponsoring today's episode. And remember, as with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. Now, let's jump right into it. First and foremost, MarvelX was founded by none other than His Highness Sheikh Saud bin Faisal Al Qasimi from the United Arab Emirates. This fast-growing blockchain ecosystem is backed by a solid team, and they're on a mission to help the community through their charity coin. The MLXC token has some amazing use cases such as staking, yield farming, an NFT marketplace, and lending and borrowing services. It's also a game changer in the world of blockchain. Check out their token on CoinMarketCap, which can also be found linked in the description of today's video. Now, there are some exciting plans in the pipeline for MarvelX, like multi-chain support for flexibility and scalability, an upcoming NFT marketplace, a secure MarvelX wallet, and DeFi lending with competitive interest rates. MarvelX is already listed on MEXC and even just got listed on Bitmark. Now, they're constantly working on bringing innovation to various industries through their decentralized blockchain-based ecosystem. You can purchase MLXC tokens on the Bitmark exchange, which is also linked in the description of today's episode. Now, don't forget, though, to download their app, available on the Apple App Store, which is in the description, to manage your tokens and stay updated on the latest news. So, if you're looking to invest in a high potential blockchain project with the backing of a visionary leader and a solid team, then check out MarvelX. Get your tokens, download the app, and be a part of the future of blockchain technology. And with that being said, if you want to invest in MarvelX, then make sure to check out the links in the description of today's video. Otherwise, shout out to MarvelX for sponsoring today's episode, and let's get back into the technical analysis. So guys, moving back out from MarvelX here, I want to look at Ethereum and Bitcoin super quick, and this is a peculiar one if you ask me. It almost seems like there's some sort of bull flag formation here, but you can see just recently, though, we're starting to see a lot of this consolidation. This is kind of an odd movement here, where the past couple of days, it's been a lot more than the past couple of days. Literally since the 12th here, we have the 12th, the 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 22, tons of days here where it's just flatline consolidation. It almost makes me want to take this top resistance and slightly pull it forward here. Slightly move it like this, and then slightly move it like this as well. So you can see the beautiful consolidation flagpole here. I know we haven't broken bullish yet, but we are trying to form some sort of descending fractal here, descending triangle. Yes, there's no 3 confirmations up top here, but it does kind of make sense. I definitely would suggest that we do have a support, a solid support. That is top resistance, not so much. This is kind of harder to navigate here, but I do think that this is going to show signs of a big pump. Now, jumping to the 4-hour, we're not seeing much of a pattern here. That's the big goal here, is trying to form some sort of pattern here. I mean, there could be one if we really want to stretch our wings here. Maybe there's a downtrend like this. Maybe there's something like this. I am not entirely sure. It is definitely harder to say, but it is something that we are keeping on our radar here, because I do believe it is going to be breaking very soon, and that's why we're leaving it up like this. So be patient. It's obviously trading anything inside these ascending fractals on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not a fan of trading in this here because of how risky and aggressive it is, but we are flatlined at pretty much 45, 46 on the RSI, and we're inside a sideways channel, retesting the price floor and, or the moving average, the price floor, and then we have this descending fractal here. Everything is, uniting here where a break is going to happen, and I would truly believe it's going to break us to the upside more than to the downside here. More so, even the MACD is looking for a bullish cross right here, which is also pretty exciting. And that same thing is applied to Bitcoin as well. Seeing a lot of this consolidation. We're flatlined out on the 40 on the RSI, which gives us plenty of room to the upside here, but more so, I do believe we're going to run up like this. I really am a strong believer of a pump like this coming here, especially after a lot of this consolidation. Usually, consolidation equals big volatility soon. So that's my thought and theory on Bitcoin here. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Shout out to MarvelX for sponsoring today's episode, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.